Oh my gosh, I'm so glad you're here. It's MB, and I'm in the yard again, gathering things for a fairy garden. I think tonight's the night they'll come. Come with me. Found some purple hyacinth that I think will be gorgeous. For the little fairies. Come with me, because I've got a whole bag of goodies. Let's go. Into the woods, through the wind. I found a place where the red buds drop and the fairies come. There's a bed of gold. And I'm gonna put a shower of green for them. Oh my gosh. I have lavender to lay for their sweetness. I'm gonna take the hyacinth and sprinkle it among the pink so they have beautiful, beautiful purple. You can barely see it, but the fairies, they know it's there. They have moss for their bed, because you know they have to sleep sometime. So many good things in this little bag of tricks. I'm gonna set them a pathway of stone. So they can find their way in the night. Look, a little pile of seeds I can add. The fairies are so lucky. And I hope that with the magic of the night, the cool of the evening, they will find their evening. Make one in your yard, won't you? What do you have in the treasures of your yard for your fairies?